What's going on, guys? Today we're talking about BlackBerry and looking at their chart. Now, this is their 5-day chart, and what's really intriguing here is seeing the volatility in this stock. Now, when stocks are volatile, I like to play options because it's really easy to get behind the momentum and make a little bit of money doing little puts or, in this case, calls. Now, in 2 days, we saw BlackBerry go from trading at $15, $16 all the way down to $12. That's a huge drop right there in price. But what is very interesting is that the next day, we saw volume in BlackBerry pick up and go all the way back up to about 1360, 14. It wants to break out into those new highs that we saw. Now, if we go to the monthly chart, the high is around 16. And obviously, in the past 3 months, we see a big gain in BlackBerry. But over the year, we saw this huge gain when GameStop was taking off all the way up to 25. So, what that brings me to is seeing it trade at these levels at 1290, between 1290 and $15. It's really not that hard to break out of that 1290 and go past 15, and if it does, it'll be huge. Now, I have a lot of call options, over 10, and they expire next Friday, but it is for the $12 strike price because I see this thing rebounding just like it did here next week, especially because the hype of the Reddit traders are going to be there because they got absolutely burned today. And not only that, but because BlackBerry comes out with their quarter earnings report, which will bring momentum to this stock because they don't report earnings until Friday. So, in the short term, I see this stock next week going up pretty dramatically, at least 4 to 5% in the next 2 days. So, it would be Monday and Tuesday. And if it keeps on having the hype and momentum that we have seen previously, it can go way past the levels of the all-time highs this past month.
Now, I'm not saying that BlackBerry is going to shoot up to any specific price or do something like GameStop or AMC has seen, but I do see a lot of upside potential, being that BlackBerry is trading as low as it is compared to its all-time highs when the fuel was behind the fire. So keep that in mind. Also, these option contracts only need about a 10% gain to be very profitable. So also keep that in mind. I'm super excited for next week. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, like, and share with a friend. Appreciate you guys. See you in the next one.